Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I was looking for a cute, comfortable boho style type dress to wear for the summer, and ZESICA has totally checked off all the boxes. I was immediately attracted to the beautiful, vibrant, rich colors, and I really liked how soft the material was. It was really light and airy, but yet at the same time, whenever you went to go use it outside, you couldn't see through it, so that made you feel very comfortable. I also really liked the ruching in the waist. It gave you so much room. It was so comfortable, as well as in the neck. And the sleeves were like a flutter sleeve. So light and flowy. It gave you so much room to move around in. And sitting in it was an absolute pleasure. It didn't squeeze you in any places. Plus, the material was really easy to iron, which is a huge bonus. So if you are looking for a cute, comfortable, modern boho style dress for the summer, this dress is just the ticket. I love it, and that is just my point of view.